as I was talking before, is so we have the connecting rods in. Okay. I'm going to put the bolt in that holds the connecting rod in. This compressor does not have a fan, so I'm going to put it back the way it was. Blue Loctite, and I will call the owner and talk to him and see if he wants me to change that later on, but in the meantime I'm going to put it back together the way I have it, the way it came to me. Okay, so I'll do that. Okay, so let's make sure everything's lined up good. That looks good. Good. Okay, so now let me do this. Now I already showed you how to put that connecting rod on. The cylinder sleeve, I mean. Connecting rods are on. We won't tighten anything up yet, but we're going to put this. We're going to put this. Cylinder sleeve on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this. I'm going to start tightening it up. And I'm going to tighten the set screws. So what you do is now you're going to go back to what you did before. Find the screws, 2 of them on each side. Well, actually what you're going to do is you're going to hold it, then you're going to tighten this. Okay, tighten this. Alright, now that that's tight, now you can tighten your set screws. Alright, tighten the set screws. This is the back one. Sometimes the front one lines up too, so if it does, yep it did, tighten that one. Just remember you got 2 of them. And then we're going to go back and you have to be careful not to damage this. There we go. Okay, and I'm not sure if this one's gonna, I don't think this one is. You know, sometimes this can be a little tricky. You just have to work it. Got that one. Okay, so now one more. Don't forget there's 2 of them. Come on. There we go. Tight. All right, now we're going to pull this. We're going to pull this around, okay? We're going to pull this one around so it's toward the edge. You want this as close to the edge as you can get. I'm going to show you right here, right there. See? Now, right here. See? It started to fold up a little bit, but that's okay. What we're going to do is we're going to get a screwdriver and we're just going to carefully push this down. Glasses on for this, huh? Yeah, there they are. So I can see what I'm doing. There we go. So I'm just going to push this down a little bit. And this is if you're going to change a piston cup while it's on. If you didn't want to take the compressor out, you don't have to. So what you do is you take this side, push down a little bit on the bottom, push up a little bit, work it, may have to doesn't go on that hard, but it's in. So you can see it setting in the groove there. It's in. That's it. Connecting rods are in. Looks good. Okay, the next step's going to be popping the heads on. We'll stop here.